Hey, what's going on, my friend? So I'm going to show you today how to build an AI app without vibe coding, okay? Which means we're going to use real code. Even somebody like me, I don't know anything about code, okay? Um, Let me explain something real quick. Vibe coding and coding are two different things. Vibe coding is like Tony Stark when you're like, "Hey, build me this thing," and then AI goes out and figures it out and brings it back. Okay, anti-vibe coding is where you actually give the AI code to do the task, so it doesn't have to think about what it's doing. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and all you got to do is copy and paste. Okay, and you can start creating apps and sell them. All right, I've been able to sell apps. People have been paying me anywhere from 2,500 all the way to 5,000 or 10,000 to build them an app. And then also with this system, what I'm going to show you today, you can actually create full systems for businesses. Okay, so I can go into your business or any business, and if you have a task that takes 5 steps with this same system, I can bring that down to 1 step, get all the same results. Okay, so that's what we're going to learn today. If you're excited about that, just type yes in the comments down below, and we're going to get into this. Okay, so first things first is I create an AI employee called the anti-guide employee. I call this my AI agent. Okay, that's what I call it. So I do this in Claude. I have created a project. Okay, if you haven't seen the AI employee video yet, it's just later. It's in the Loom sections of this. So you can reach out to me and ask for it, or just get into my email list and I will send it to you for free, obviously. Okay, so what I've done is I created a custom command for an AI project manager who's going to guide me in building an AI project. Okay, your job is to guide the project development by asking clarifying questions, identifying missing pieces, and breaking complex projects into clear, actionable steps. You do not do the creative work, you manage it. Your main job is to think, optimize, and guide. Whenever a project is brought to you, start by asking smart, specific questions to fully understand what the user is trying to build. Okay, and then it goes on and on. All right. So now I uploaded this into here. I have this anti-vibe coder guide. Okay, this is a PDF. Everything you guys can go get everything. There's free guides I have in here. The link for the free guides to this Google Drive will be in here. This is all of the things I give away for free to help you guys create viral content. The anti-vibe code, everything that I use, right, to create AI as of right now. So you guys can go download it. So, and in here, this specifically goes over how you are not going to be an anti-coder, okay, an anti-vibe coder. You're going to be a real coder, right? Because it's going to be able to give me code. Okay. So now what we need to do is we're going to go to this website here that is called Base 44. I wish they had an affiliate program, but they do not. This is the app. This is the first all-in-one AI platform, easy to build, fully functional apps without coding. Wow, look at that shit. Isn't that amazing? So you got to log in, and create an account. Obviously, I pay $100 a month for mine, but that's because people are paying me to build them things. And I'm building apps to find speaking gigs. I'm building entire systems. I'm building reports for people. Okay, this is like someone's entire system. This is someone's entire system. This is an app that I'm selling that finds speaking gigs in 10 minutes for people that like to speak. Okay, and get on stage and sell things, right? So, and I'm already selling this right now at beta for $497. Today is May 28th. In a couple weeks they'll be paying me monthly for this, probably several $100, a couple thousand a year to use that. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna just do it for instance right now because you got to have a project in mind, something that you already do. And the first thing that you want to do, we're gonna start here in Claude. Okay, we're not going to start here. We will start in Claude. Now, you have to make sure your idea is worth building. Okay, which means we got to do research and you got to do market research. And if you don't know how to do that, maybe I'll need to make another slide, make another video on that. That's a whole nother thing. Just comment market research down below and I'll know that you want me to make that for you. Okay, so we need to put the goal. Okay, so I want to build a newsletter that goes out and finds the top news in AI and builds an email for me. Then I can send it out, and people pay a small fee. Okay, I'm just like making something up. Okay, if you have an idea, just for this video, I'm just kind of do this. Okay, so one of the things that you want to do is right when you first start, you want the optimized goal. So when this is done, it will be easy for someone to opt in and get the emails. The emails will have links to products that are new in the space. Okay, so I can sell stuff from the newsletter. Okay, so map out what that would look like. I'm not actually going to build this idea. I just want to show you kind of like what you need to do in order to start building things. Okay. So first of all, you need an AI project builder, which is, this is my AI project, AI manager thing right here. Right. Um, so it's going to ask me, what specifically it's going to be for AI professionals, tech. What is it going to be? What's my unique angle? How often are these going to go out? Daily, weekly, bi? Monetization, what subscription fee are you thinking? $5 a month, $10 a month? Do you have existing affiliate relationships with AI tools? Yes, I do. So I think I'm going to just create a newsletter that has all of my affiliate links with all these AI tools that I have. Okay, are you planning to do a free trial, pay tier? I think I'll do a free trial and a pay tier. Right, you can get in for free, but if you want the juicy stuff like videos like this, then you'd pay for it. Right, to get regular videos of me actually diving into things. Ooh, I'm just making this up as I go. Okay. Okay. What counts as top AI news? Funding founds, project launch, any specific sources you want to prioritize, tech ventures, AI research sites. Okay. So you get it, right? Now I'm going to answer all of these questions and then it's going to break down how we should build it. Okay. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to do all of this right now. I think I can actually build me a newsletter with this. So let's just do a for instance, okay? And I'm gonna go grab a another project so I can show you what it looks like. Okay. So here is another project of mine. After you do that, so you're going to get those goals. You're going to answer everything. All right. So, and then this is what it's going to look like when it starts creating that. So, right, you're going to have to do this quite a bit, right? Look at all these different prompts. Okay. So, all right. So keep, this is me, find my stage, right? We want to keep data inside the app so I could track, what's going on. Okay. And then it says, okay, cool. So here's all the things that we need to do. Find my stage, data retention. Here's all of the goals that we want to do. All right, cool. So this is what the app told me. So this is what I did. Okay. So I literally just took this and it says, okay, give it this command. So I'm going to take this and then I come over here and I literally just paste it here. And then I hit go and it starts building the app. Okay, that's literally all I do, right? And if things don't look good over here, let's say it builds an app over here and I don't like the way it came out, or it's not quite there. It won't be there right away. You're gonna have to go through multiple copy and paste. What I'll do is I'll be like, the app told me this here, and I'll show you where the app tells you stuff. So like, let's say we're building this app. This is what it looks like when we're in the back office here. So we're actually looking at the app, right? I created all of these tabs for the app. I created a search engine. So this will go out and find me speaking gigs for AI. So look, it's going to go and find me speaking gig. It's going to do 50 at a time. And then I can save the opportunities. I can reach out to them. I can, create content for them, and I add my speaker profile. So now this is where the app is talking back to me on how things are working or they're not working. So all I literally have to do is copy this, right? So after I give it a command, I can copy this command, and then I come over here and I say, this is what the app said, and then I'll hit paste, and then it'll read it and be like, oh, do you know what? It's missing this and that and this. And I go, okay, create me a command for that. and then it'll create me another command, right? So here's what I said. It's like, look, so I did this right here as a good example, right? So this is what the app told me. I've updated the things for the speaking profile. And then it says software delete implementation plan. Great progress on adding our um, identification fields. Let's move forward with implementing soft deletes. Access your data elite. Step one. Okay, this is step one. So then I'm going to just take this, step one, and I will go upload step one into this database to change. Okay. And then as I do that, every time it gives me something back, I will then just copy what it gave me back and paste it back into here. Okay. And then I'll take step two and I'll go repaste that. And then I do rinse and repeat of this. Okay. This is the thing, rinse and repeat, and I will build entire functional apps while doing that. Okay. And if you do want to do some vibe coding, you can be like, it's not working. Okay. Now, what I would highly suggest is you don't say it's not working in here. You say it's not working in Claude, because Claude will be able to identify what's not working based off of our goal. And then I'll copy and paste the code into base 44. Now, there's a ton of other softwares that you can use to build apps. This is just my favorite one because I can create complex things that have multiple steps. Okay. But you also can use Manus, which is good for like single pages, right? So you can create entire websites with this. And I can give you guys some free credits, right? I have 500 credits for, look at all these credits I have. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credits for Manus. So you get $500 a piece. 500 credits a piece. I got 52,000 credits as of right now. So you can create websites with this doing the same thing, but you want to always build the plan in Claude. Okay. You want to build the plan in Claude. You want to have an AI agent project thing. You know, if you guys want, I can build you one of these, or I don't know what you guys want. So I just want to show you that you can build this. And we have all of these pre-made AI tools already. So we have, if you go to smartcopytools.ai, it's going to look like this. You fill out the form, and then when you buy it or you get the free trial, in here it's going to have pre-made bots, a lot like this AI agent bot right here. But these are going to be specifically for marketing for your business. So after you make the app, you're going to need to sell the app, and this is going to be how you do that, right? It's going to have pre-made emails. It's going to have pre-made sales pages, tools. It's going to give you ads, right? And maybe at some point we'll add the AI agent into here if enough people ask for it as an updated thing. But this right here is going to be what you need to sell the app. So after you build the app, now how do I sell this to the public, right? That's the next thing. Because just building it doesn't mean shit. It doesn't mean that you're going to make any money with it. You have to sell it just like anything else. Okay. So that's why smart AI copy tools is really important, because it'll give us social media viral posts. It'll help us create an offer so we know what to sell, right? So right here is a objection bot, branding, okay, target audience, who's actually going to be buying this. So all of that, just to tell you guys, you can go start building some apps. Leave me your feedback down below. Remember, you can go get these free guides as well. That's down there. It has the anti-vibe coder on that. And then you just go start the free trial for the Smart Copy Tools AI. You may already have things that you want to sell right now. And if you're not selling it the way you want to, these bots are programmed, and that's what we use every day in our agency. All right. Let me know what you think about this video, my friend, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.